Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. And for those of you who are new, welcome. My name is Tiffany and I create cleaning, decorating, and organizing videos. If that sparks your interest, please hit that subscribe button before you go. I would love for you to join my family. In today's video, I'm going to bring y'all along with me while I clean my kitchen. We just finished breakfast and I'm going to go ahead and get everything back in order. So let's get started. Okay, so I'm going to start by taking up my rugs and shaking all the dirt off. I needed to get them washed, and I wanted to put them in the washing machine so they could be washing while I was cleaning. And now I'm going to wash all of the dishes and get them dried and put away. This is by far my favorite part of cleaning my kitchen. I don't know what it is about cleaning out the sink, but it's just so relaxing, especially when it's time to rinse all those suds out. I mean, it's one of the most calming feelings ever. Is anybody else like that? Okay, y'all, so I just want to take a moment to be transparent for a minute. I am really like a private person, and I'm not the kind of person where I like to be the center of attention. You know, I don't like for all eyes to be on me, but I have wanted to start a YouTube channel like ever since I think about 2014 or 2015, but I didn't have the courage to do it because by doing that, I would totally be out of my comfort zone. You know, when you start your channel, you're basically putting your life on display for everyone else to see. And I just want to thank God for giving me the courage to step out of my comfort zone. The person that you all see in this video, God has transformed me into that person, because I wouldn't have guessed in a million years that I would have gone ahead and started my channel. And just to see everything come to fruition, I'm just amazed at what God is doing in my life. So I just thank God for everything that He's doing in my life. I'm going to finish wiping the countertops and the table down, and then I'm going to sweep and vacuum because it's time for me to do my least favorite thing, and y'all know that's mopping. Y'all let me know in the comments what your least favorite chore is.
much for people like them. We don't care much for people like them. But darling, on my mind, I'm feeling so fly up in the zone now. I'm like a golden crown, whirling high up in the sky. Oh, it's the way you make me feel so good right now. It's the way you make me feel so good. Oh. Never understand the things that we want. Why do you keep coming back? I want love you don't know. So why are you here? Yeah, I should take it back so that you don't know where my heart is at. I can't change the past. Don't wanna complicate things. Maybe if I asked, was any of it real? Was it real? There's only one thing left to do. My heart is breaking wanting you, so I'll say goodbye. Let's put the sun back in the sky. Tired of crying, don't call me back, just say I'll say goodbye.
Okay, family, we've come to the end of this video. But before I go, again, I just want to thank God for his grace and mercy. He carried me when I couldn't walk on my own, and I just give him all the glory and honor and praise in Jesus' name. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and click that bell so you never miss an upload. And please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see y'all in the next one.